Welcome to Nikit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotic Solutions. Today, we're showcasing the precision and efficiency of our state-of-the-art mini-circular welder. Our mini-circular welder is designed to meet the exacting standards of the most demanding industries, ensuring superior performance in case and socket welding applications. Whether you're in aerospace, pharmaceuticals, semiconductors, automotive, oil and gas, or any other heavy manufacturing sector, our welder delivers unparalleled quality and consistency. Our solutions are tailored to meet the diverse needs of these industries, ensuring precision and reliability in every weld. The mini-circular welder is a testament to our commitment to innovation and excellence. Equipped with user-friendly controls and advanced features, our mini-circular welder is designed for maximum productivity and minimal downtime. The intuitive interface allows for easy setup and operation, reducing training time and increasing efficiency. Watch as our technician effortlessly sets up the machine, demonstrating how straightforward and efficient our welding process is. The result? Impeccable welds that meet the highest standards of quality and durability. Precision, efficiency, and reliability, that's the hallmark of Nikit Engineers. For more such content, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.